Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and today I'm sharing an easy to make, healthy and inexpensive chocolate oat milk recipe. No added sugar, preservatives, additives, thickeners or stabilizers. Super healthy homemade chocolate oat milk which can be enjoyed by the whole family. So let's get started with the recipe. To make chocolate oat milk, into a bowl I'm adding in 1/4 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats. Into this I'm adding in some water and I'm allowing the oats to soak for about 15 to 30 minutes. Now the reason why you need to soak grains like oats is to help release the phytic acid in them. Phytates are nutrient inhibitors which may also cause digestive issues to some people like bloating, indigestion or gas. So if you notice having any digestive issues, you may need to soak the oats a little longer. So for now, I'm going to soak the oats for about 15 to 30 minutes. Into another bowl, I'm adding in a handful or about 7 to 8 cashew nuts. Instead of cashew nuts, you can use overnight soaked and peeled almonds. Cashew nuts will give a nice creamy texture and natural healthy fats to the chocolate oat milk. I'm adding in some water and I'm allowing the cashew nuts to soak along with the oats. Okay, now the oats are nicely soaked. So I'm going to wash and rinse it under running water. So what I did was I transferred the soaked oats onto a strainer and rinsed it under running water. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in the soaked and rinsed oats. Into this, I'm adding in 1.5 cups of ice cold water, a handful of ice cubes. Now the reason why I'm using ice cold water and few ice cubes is to help prevent the oats from becoming slimy. So when you blend this, the blender might get lightly heated up, which will make the oat milk slimy. So in order to prevent that, I'm adding in ice cubes and cold water. And now I'm going to blend this really well. Once the oats is blended, what I'm going to do is I'm going to strain the oats, and for that I have kept a strainer on top of a measuring cup, or you can use a bowl, and then line the strainer with a thin cotton cloth. Pour the blended oat milk onto it and then squeeze out the oat milk through the strainer. There will not be much residue because these oats are soaked and blended really well. And my homemade fresh oat milk is ready. Into the same blender jar, I'm adding in the fresh homemade oat milk. For some creaminess and natural healthy fats, I'm adding in the soaked cashew nuts. For sweetness, I'm adding in 1 soft medjool dates. Now, if you're making this for children, adjust dates as per their taste. I like to use medjool dates as they are really soft and hence easily blendable. However, if your dates is not soft like mine, you may need to soak it a little in water, or you can even soak it along with the cashew nuts and then add it into the blender so that you can be sure that the dates will get blended really well. 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract or as needed. And now I'm going to blend this all really well. I like my chocolate oat milk to be lightly chilled. Into my serving glass, I'm adding in some ice cubes and then I'm pouring in the blended chocolate oat milk. A sprinkle of raw cacao powder, and my super healthy homemade chocolate oat milk is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy chocolate oat milk and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.